While using PubMed, the server keeps track of all the searches you have executed. You can view this search history by clicking on Advanced Search. In order for this to work, your browser must be set up to allow cookies. This should be the default setting in your browser. PubMed keeps track of up to 100 searches, but it doesn't save them permanently. PubMed wipes your search history after 8 hours of inactivity. It is possible to save search strategies permanently by using the MyNCBI feature in PubMed. Using the Search History section of Advanced Search, you can review old search results. For example, if I want to review the results from my TMJ search, I can simply click on the number in the results column and see all of my citations again. I can also use my search history to combine two previous searches. For example, I can retrieve articles from my hypertension search combined with my TMJ search by typing in the set numbers. This search shows me all of the articles that are about both hypertension and TMJ. Finally, I can add to an older search. For example, I can search for articles on treating gingivitis, but tell the database that these articles must also have the word flossing. And I decrease my results. This concludes the history tutorial.